Hey y'all, so today is my 50th birthday. I made it. Can you believe it? So I made myself a cake and it's stuck to my brand new fluted cake pan. Let me show y'all. See, the cake stuck. Well, it didn't stick on all of it. This side was okay. It was just this little area right here, it stuck. And I'll show y'all in the video when I post the video of the cake. It turned out fine though. I ended up putting a bunch of glaze on it. And when we had our first couple of slices, I just took the 2 slices that were messed up. We had those to start with. So what's left looks really good. But I'll do a video on how to clean up a cast iron fluted cake pan. That's a good idea. See, I can come up with some good ideas sometimes. This, in this vintage cake dish, this cake dish is from 1959. Isn't that beautiful? It belonged to my mother-in-law. And inside of that is the cake, but you can't see it, can you? You're not going to see it, not until March 3rd. So check back on March 3rd when I'm going to be doing the collaboration to see what I made and what's inside this cake pan, because I can promise you it's good, it's chocolatey, and it's keto. So check back on March 3rd. Here's some pictures and video from some of the goings on today for my birthday. This is the Chickamauga Dam right down the road from our house. And they are letting the water flow. Look at all the birds.
They're creating electricity is what they're doing.
But it's coming out of there good. We're still under a flood warning because it's supposed to start raining again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a very blessed day.